If you have a business, it is important to make sure you are utilizing technology to your company's benefit. Hello, and welcome to Verism Solutions. We are an IT consulting and staffing firm that provides our clients with top-notch integrated enterprise services. We have a track record of working with clients to design and implement successful IT solutions to their businesses that save time, money, and increase revenue. At Verism Systems, we offer a variety of services, including specialist skills for a defined period of time, contract staffing solutions, and so much more. We have a tremendous amount of experience working with various IT functions to seamlessly become an extension of your existing IT infrastructure. You can leverage our first-rate IT consulting, staffing, integration, and outsourcing solutions to accomplish your goals sooner than your competition. Get in touch today to speak with a member of our team and find out how our services can take your business to the next level. We can't wait to work with you.